Oh, bitch ass, hoe in a can ass.
You know how we steppin'. Y'all boys some bitches, you hear me? Y'all know what I'm saying?
You hear me? Don't be inside when that car crash.
Hey, come get at that nigga, you hear me? You know we be here.
Straight gang shit, no lame shit. You work the wood, I work the Glock. He play some games, he gon' get popped. We got the job, we lurking on this block, we tryna catch her out.
Hit his ass and fiend his ass just like some dope and hit his top. Niggas bitches, he gon' run them bullets, hit him, make him lock. Do the bitch and he'll out. Talking records, he got the job. He ain't pushing on no block, and he a bitch, he gon' get popped.
Bitch, you posted right outside your residence, I got the chop.
Boy, you thinkin' with your dick, my little cousin gon' get a drop.
556 load up the chop. Catch the bitch spin on his block.
Finger itching on the mop, tryna pop a nigga top. Catch her, I watch how he lock. We gon' make his body rock.
Hit his ass and make him lock. Niggas talking out they top. Hit his ass and spin the block. Niggas knowing we got ops. I ain't lying, these niggas bitches finna load up every chop. Hit his ass and hit him up. Leave a body, leave him stuck. Call the truck, come pick him up. Hit his ass and leave him stuck.
I say, bitch, where you at?
Shit, I'm posted up.
Man, I got the drop on the bitch ass.
Shit, what you tryna do?
Man, say less, I'm finna pull up.
Shit, bitch, say no more.
Alright. Bitch, I'm not with that little friendly shit, I'm tryna leave him dead. Say less, since they go that bitch, make sure you hit him in his head.
762 hit up his block, tryna send him to the
He
dog.
talking out a neck on God. We heard Lil' Five just got the job.
Before you know you ain't in the field, stand over me, it's
I
overkill.
told her sister worth the wood, the chopstick gon' leave that bitch still.
Catch her out, we leave his ass dead and pop him like a pill. Steady acting like he gangsta, tell that bitch we in that field.